Now then, Simon here from Andover Norton, and it's time for another back in stock video. Thought I'd show you somewhere different today. We're on the top floor of the warehouse and we've got loads of stuff that is back just for you to order today. Okay, first things first, we've got part 064822, the chain guard extension kit. This is just £23.94 including VAT. The speedo sensor cable, part 067904/E, is back in stock and is £47.94 including VAT. The magnetic crankcase sump filter kit, part 067281, is £31.14 including VAT. And part number 064025, the rear chain Elite, is back in stock for £55 including VAT. And finally, 067279, our gearbox overhaul kit, is back in stock for £159.53 including VAT. And don't forget, if we don't have it in stock, you can set yourself a reminder on the website, which will send you an email when it comes back in stock, or you can get in touch with us on the technical email address, which is listed at the end of this video. Until then, thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Safe riding.